My name is Ijeoma Obiagele Olibo, and I met my husband, who is called Simon, in a cocktail bar in London by Oxford Circus, and it was a very lovely evening whereby we drank lots of very strange cocktails. I had very interesting conversation, and almost 5 years later we are here in Ogidi in Anambra, about to celebrate our traditional marriage, which we call Ibanku. One of the first things that made me fall in love with my husband is the fact that he is just such a sweet human, a person that is always willing to learn and is very curious, and above all, he cares for me in ways that, even ask for. He'll do things without me asking, and I'll, surprise